Hi everyone, I am Dhruti Doshi. Yeah, so we have variety of desserts available. From you can say that we usually start from cakes and till dips. So it is sweet as well as savory. So it starts from cakes, cookies, cupcakes, brownies, and you get jars also of desserts. And we also have salted caramel jars and dips, cheese dips, hummus. Variety of things are available. You can always contact me, and always you can get a menu also to have a broader look of it. So I have few of my products over here. These are chocolate dark chocolate chip cookies which are filled with dark chocolate. So if you have it warm, then you will get a dollop of chocolate coming out of the cookies, which is very yum and is soothing. It is soothing to your mouth. These are our Korean cream cheese buns. You can see that how they are filled with cream cheese and dipped in garlic butter, which is full of herbs and flavors. So you get a bombshell of flavors in mouth in one bite. We also have our salted caramel, which you can dip in brown, which you can put it on ice creams, brownies, everything, and it just tastes like the caramel which you have eaten in your childhood in eclairs chocolate. Yes. So now I'll be showing you a recipe of salted caramel, how you can make it at home. So I have shown here, you can also make it at home. I'll show you with the measurements, which will be very easy for everyone. So let's start first. We'll take 95 grams of sugar, normal granulated sugar which we use at home. So same way, when you caramelize jaggery and sugar, same way you will be caramelizing the sugar till you get a amber golden color. I'll increase the time to fasten the process because it will take some time. See, the sugar has started melting. The smell is coming here. And just see to it that it doesn't start burning. If you are doing it for the first time, I suggest that do it at a low medium flame, not at high temperature. Otherwise the sugar will burn. This is yellowish color. We want a golden color. So we'll do it till the sugar melts. We don't want any crystal of sugar. Don't worry about the sugar which is sticking on the sides. Everything will come together at the end. Still I can see some crystals of sugar, so I will melt it till that time. I am getting the golden color. Now only I think 1 or 2 minutes and we'll get the consistency which we want. Now we have to just take it down from the flame. Add the cream, 45 grams of cream. It is fresh Amul cream. Just see to it, there will be bubbles. Just stay away so that it doesn't come on your face. Take care while doing this step. Now I'll again put it on the flame. I'll mix it properly. And then I'll add 75 grams of Amul butter. And mix it again till the butter melts. Butter should be cold enough. So the butter is melting and everything is coming together. I am getting a very good smell of the caramel. Yeah, it is done. We'll turn off the gas. See the caramel. Now I'll fill it up in the jar. This is normal caramel. So if you want to make it salted, you can always add some pinch of Himalayan salt in this. It will give you salted caramel. So we'll be filling this in the jar. So if you can see how beautiful it is. now you can see that this caramel is done. It is hot right now. But when it comes to room temperature, you can store it in fridge or freezer for 6 months at least. And for using it again, get it to normal temperature and always warm it in double boiler or microwave or directly on the gas. You will get the same consistency and then you can use it wherever you want. So this caramel we can always use in any, like if you are a dessert person, you can always pour on whatever you are having. I can say if you are having a brownie, then you can pour on that. The ice cream, like vanilla ice cream, we have the topping, strawberry and everything. So this way, this caramel also you can pour in place of chocolate sauce. And it will taste really good. It will give you the caramel taste and the sugar taste, which is very good for, which is a good taste to your mouth.